Today we're gonna make an ethereal hood trap type beat. I'm not really sure when jerk became hood trap. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. Anyway, let's make this TikTok ethereal hood trap banger. Let's go. For hood trap beats, the BPMs, you can go anywhere from like 140 to like 190. But for this beat, I think we're gonna do something around 150. Let's do literally 150. I'm gonna start off with, let's do analog lab. I'm gonna make like a melodic hood trap beat. Yeah, we're not gonna do like the typical just like pad and then deep fried. We're actually gonna do some like chords. Let's get an electric piano and then we'll kind of deep fry it after. Let's do C sharp minor, why not? Switch it up just a little bit. And then for our chords, let's do something like this. And let's count 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let's just make some minor 7 chords. So if you guys want to make minor 7 chords, easy way to do it is just start with your bass note here and then count 2 notes up and then place your note, 2 notes up, place your note, 2 notes up, 2 notes up, 2 notes up. And we're only counting the highlighted lines, which are the notes in our scale. We can also shorten these just a little bit. I'm just gonna bounce this out just so I can take that clip out. So add it right here and hit Option R. Basically, let's just do this. Let's just move it over. And let's add this to the mixer. You need to get rid of the lows and let's add an OTT just to make it more like compressed. Let's add big crusher. So now we're gonna get started on the bounce. Let's get a snare and then let's get that jerk bounce. Grab this one and I'm just gonna use this MIDI because I don't want to click it in. Let's get an 808. I'm gonna go to this new kit I'm working on, grab an 808 from here. Let's use this one. We're basically just gonna follow the root notes here. Keep it simple. Let's try to layer these chords with a different sound. It kind of has like a trance to it, so let's just add a trance gate, just emphasize it. pitch these up. I'm just gonna change that snare. Let's keep building out this bounce, and then I'm gonna add some like vocals to it, or some like chants and stuff, you know. Let's get a kick. Yeah, let's get another 808. Let's take these notes here, hit Command X. Go over here, Command V. Let's add this bubble right here. Okay, now we gotta get some chants. Let's add a shaper box. Actually, let's get a hi-hat. Okay, now we need some vocal vibes. We need some vocal vibes. I'm just gonna add it to the mixer, add some reverb and maybe delay. I'm gonna grab this preset I made, ambient accent. Do like a beat cut right here. I gotta add a compressor to this like vocal. Make the reverb cut like right here. And we cut the beat right there. Yeah, let's add a convolver to this. Let's just make it kind of like into a pad. And let's set it to blur. We add another 808. Let's take these notes here, Command X, paste them in here, and let's change the 808 sound for that one. Like this one. Sick right there. This is where we make it like TikTok, you know, just add a bunch of these like real trap shit kind of vocals.
You're all that remains. Finish the mission.
And then we gotta add like a vinyl off roast beat to this. Over here, momentary. vinyl off, create automation clip.
You're all that remains. Finish.
Do like a reverse on one of these 808s. Let's do this one, put the velocity all the way down, and then let's make this a slide note. I'm gonna change that snare. No. Make a better snare. Come on, man. Yeah, maybe we do more melodies, like a lead or something. For like a B part, this first section we have.
You're all that remains. Finish.
Like, that's crazy. And then I want to add like some sort of lead for this part. So let's do that. Add a bunch of reverb to this and then probably change the sound too. Alright boys, I think it's time to arrange it because I do want somebody to get on it, so I don't want to add too many sounds. I don't want to make it like a producer flex kind of beat, even though it already kind of is. Let's start arranging it. I'm just gonna slime out this limiter real quick, and then that's a wrap. Alright boys, so that's a wrap. This is the final beat right here.
You're all that remains. Finish.
Finished it up, pretty much made Ethereal Hood Trap X. It's kind of like R&B vibes, to be honest, but with like a hood trap bounce. But yeah, the chords are super simple. Just toss in some vocals and use a lot of reverb, delay, and then really try to like sauce your stuff. Super unique beat, honestly. Like, I've never heard anything like this, so I'm gonna call this Ethereal Hood Trap. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like, hit that sub. Let's get 10K by the end of the month. That's the goal. Join our Discord. Beat battle September 8th. Make sure to get in there. We got a bunch of prizes for you guys, all that, you know what I mean? I'm gonna try to stream it, make it into a video too. So yeah, hit that sub, join our Discord, follow me on Instagram, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Any of my kids, links are down below. I appreciate all you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.